Ever wondered how real estate wholesalers can help you secure discounted properties? Let's delve into this unexplored avenue of real estate investment. Real estate wholesalers work as intermediaries between motivated sellers and investors. They find properties at a discount, then sell or assign contracts to investors for a fee. Wholesalers employ various marketing strategies to find distressed sellers, and once a property is under contract, they promote it to investors in their network. They aim for a quick turnaround, making it a boon for investors seeking swift transactions. Their fee comes from the difference between the acquisition price and the price they sell it to an investor. You can find wholesalers at local real estate networking events, meetups and investment clubs. Online platforms like real estate forums, social media groups and dedicated wholesaler websites are also fruitful sources. Word of mouth plays a significant role in connecting you with reputable wholesalers. And don't forget about local real estate associations or chambers of commerce. Before working with a wholesaler, assess their track record, network size, transparency and communication skills. Look at their past deals, the types of properties they work with, and their successes. A well-connected wholesaler may have access to a wide variety of property types, including off-market opportunities. Transparency in dealings and effective communication are crucial for a smooth transaction process. Don't hesitate to ask for references or testimonials from other investors who have worked with the wholesaler. To build a productive relationship with a wholesaler, define your investment criteria clearly, including the types of properties you're interested in, the location, and your target return on investment. Set expectations about the information you need, how often you want updates, and your preferred communication method. So, to sum it up, understand the role of wholesalers, find them through various sources, evaluate their credibility, and build a strong relationship by defining your criteria and setting clear expectations. Utilizing real estate wholesalers can indeed be a strategic move to secure discounted properties.